looking out the window 15 to 20 minutes later, and this is what it looks like now, and it's starting to accumulate. It's 37 degrees out. We had a high of 39 today, so it's coming down fast. They say the worst of this is supposed to be between 7 p.m. and 1 a.m. So, and they're talking 4 to 12 inches of snow depending on where you are in western Massachusetts. And this is the backyard through the window screen. Unreal for the end of October. Now we're a half hour into this, and you can see it's really starting to accumulate around here. Just looking under the tree where it really hasn't covered yet. Just look at it. This is a rock maple tree, and it always holds on to its leaves. Hopefully, with this weight of the snow, it won't break it up. Really starting to accumulate. You can see the neighbor's roof. Another rock maple tree. Unreal. This is the end of October and we're getting this. Very strange year weather-wise. Quick look at the backyard again. Look at the huge flakes. Definitely accumulating. This is the last update I'm going to do for now because it's going to start getting dark soon. This is now an hour into the snowfall. Huge flakes. It's unreal. I just can't believe this. I've never seen snow like this in October. We've had a few dustings in years past, but not like this. So this could be as much as a foot of snow around here. And one more shot from out back. And out back you can see it's really starting to accumulate. Thanks for looking.